What's up, YouTube? We're at it again. Some vlogging. We are out for the annual breast cancer memorial ride. Gonna be a couple of thousand bikes out there. So let's ride out, show you all the cool stuff that's gonna go on today, and we're gonna ride through the city of New York City and wind up at the Hope Hospital. So follow this journey. Let's have some fun.
I gotta hang out with you more often. Maybe I can get some.
What up, what up?
Hey, I wanted to say, good on YouTube, man.
Appreciate that, man. What's up? How you doing?
Oh, those are the way hot with my outfit. Those are the way hot with my outfit.
I only think I had pink.
There you go, it's the effort right there. Yeah, nah, fuck that.
We here, this is group one. We're still waiting. We got another half an hour to go before we get some more bikes out here. But right now, this is what we got. And we are gonna be heading out for a big ride. Trust me, it's gonna be about a couple of thousand bikes out there. Be prepared. Be prepared.
I like this.
city. We have arrived. Check out what's going on. That completes the Can-Am ride out. It's been not Can-Am ride out, Cancer ride out. It's been fun. Had a good time. About to head back. Looks like my day is gonna be over. They're gonna start doing some rides through the city and hang out, but I'm gonna head back. And I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm hungry, and all that other cool stuff. So I will see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all have fun. Like, follow, and subscribe.